Most historic homes tell a story. This one feels like it has preserved an entire century. Hidden behind its striking blue exterior is a Victorian masterpiece that has survived well over 130 years, with much of its original craftsmanship still remarkably intact. From handcrafted woodwork and soaring ceilings to period fireplaces and a copper-topped turret, this isn't just another old house on the market. It's one of those rare listings where history, architecture, and modern living still exist under one roof. Let's step inside. Welcome to the historic W.C. Smith House, an extraordinary Queen Anne Victorian originally built in 1890. From the moment you arrive, it's clear this home was designed to stand out. Its elegant proportions, rich architectural details, and iconic blue facade immediately capture the character of a bygone era. Lovingly preserved over generations, nearly every room reflects the craftsmanship that made late 19th century homes so distinctive. For anyone passionate about historic architecture, this property is nothing short of remarkable. Before even opening the front door, the exterior offers countless details worth admiring. Original heart pine siding continues to wrap the home, while the copper-capped turret rises above the roofline as one of its most recognizable features. The welcoming front porch, finished with traditional beadboard ceilings and classic trim work, creates an entrance that feels both elegant and timeless. Every angle reveals another carefully preserved piece of Victorian design. Step inside and the attention to craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. 12-foot ceilings immediately create a sense of openness rarely found in modern homes. Restored plaster walls blend beautifully with original solid wood doors, intricate Eastlake woodwork, and decorative hardware that has survived for more than a century. The grand reception hall flows naturally into an elegant formal parlor where multiple original fireplaces remain framed by beautifully carved mantels. Large pocket doors separate the living spaces while allowing the home's historic floor plan to remain intact. Natural light fills the formal dining room, highlighting a built-in china cabinet that continues to serve as one of the home's signature period features. Unlike many historic properties, the kitchen successfully blends old-world charm with practical updates. A vintage 1930s Gaffers and Sattler stove serves as the centerpiece, complemented by a Bosch cooktop, Heartland convection oven, dishwasher, and generous workspace. It's a thoughtful balance between preservation and everyday functionality. Upstairs, the home continues to impress. The spacious primary suite includes a private balcony, walk-in closet, fireplace, and a classic clawfoot soaking tub that perfectly reflects the home's Victorian heritage. 3 additional bedrooms, a dedicated office, and 2 more traditional bathrooms provide flexibility for modern family living without sacrificing historic character. Although the home's history remains its greatest feature, important improvements have already been completed. A stamped metal roof, updated electrical systems, new plumbing, 2 water heaters, and modern Unico climate systems help make this historic residence more practical for today's lifestyle. The property is also zoned B2, opening possibilities not only as an extraordinary private residence, but potentially for commercial or mixed-use purposes as well. Finding a Victorian home with this level of authenticity is becoming increasingly rare. The W.C. Smith House isn't simply preserving old architecture. It preserves the craftsmanship, design, and character of an era that can no longer be recreated. For the right buyer, this isn't just another property. It's an opportunity to become the next caretaker of a remarkable piece of American architectural history. If you enjoy discovering unique historic homes like this one, don't forget to subscribe. There are many more extraordinary properties waiting to be explored.